I'm gonna test this out right quick on your app. Now keep in mind that I'm an artist and I'm sensitive about my shit.
Hey, what up, y'all? It's Katie here, aka Big Katie, and how are you today? Happy Valentine's Day! Doing this voiceover on Valentine's Day. I recorded this at like 12 a.m. at night, and I know y'all see the Don Julio bottle in the background, but I had ran out of acetone to clean my jar. I put my monomer in, so I was like, fuck it, I got this Don Julio bottle. We gonna use that, okay? And I gotta not, cause I can't even be on no chill stuff with y'all because I think YouTube liked my video and it didn't get no views last time. So now this is my set idea for Valentine's Day. It's Valentine's Day today. I'm babysitting right now. I'm going home. I'm getting ready to see. I babysit. I come home be like 10 p.m. I record, then I edit while I'm babysitting, and I post. Like, y'all never know the dedication that go into this. Like, y'all never know nobody real life. So I think y'all know people's life. It's no problem. And I had like only that little bit of memory in that jar. That's the only memory I had. Like, I couldn't go get none from the beauty supply store and nothing, because guess what? It was 1 a.m., 12 a.m. So I had to. I got to sit down with hopes, prayers, and dreams. Like, that's all I had, and I still had it in my other hand. Like, that wasn't nothing for real. Like, I was using the evaporation air to finish my other hand. Like, y'all just don't know. Y'all don't know. But the application did turn out tea. One of my fingers, like the first finger I did, I think it was just a little pokey on the cuticle area, but nothing a drill can fix. But the rest of them, but tea, first try. Well, tea, second, third, fourth, fifth try. What is y'all talking about? And when I tell you, I just love this set. I love this set. And again, like, you could tell, like, for one, when I got to the end, I did the decoration. You see how many times I do this. Like, what I was doing, I kept on doing that, looking at my nails. You can tell I just love my nails. And that was it, just application. Now we going in, filing, drilling, making the shape even more shapier, like a BBL. Like, you gotta make sure it's slim. You know, you just gotta make sure your shape petite. Like, what are you talking about? But you want to make sure you get underneath the nails, because like bulky nails, 9 times out of 10 comes from product being on the sides or underneath the nails. The nail tips come pre-shaped. If your nails end up fat, you need to shape underneath or the sides. That's it. Really, mainly underneath. It be product and underneath, or if you got too much on your sides, you got it bulky. Now, I feel like I didn't get some of the best clips with this one, but I did good because my hand wasn't like out of frame as I thought it was. But I was really not in the slow down, let me make sure I show everything type move, because it was 1, 2, 3 a.m. I was babysitting all day, and I know I had to wake up early again in the morning and babysit again. So yeah, I just really wanted to get this done because I knew I wanted to do something for Valentine's Day. And I did like an abstract art type thing, and I seen something on Pinterest. They gave me the idea to do the pointer finger. Super cute with all these balls right now. Super duper cute. I love this set, y'all.